A day at the busy market. It was a bright and bustling morning at the local market. Maria had just started her shift at the fruit and vegetable section. She smiled as she greeted the first customer, an elderly woman holding a shopping basket. The customer wanted to buy some fresh apples and tomatoes. Maria asked politely, "Good morning. How can I assist you today?" The woman replied, "Good morning. I'd like to get some fresh apples and ripe tomatoes." Maria nodded and said, "Sure. Let me help you find the best ones." Maria carefully showed the customer different varieties of apples. Some were crisp and others were sweeter. She explained, "These apples are Fuji and they're very sweet. These ones are Granny Smith, perfect if you prefer a tart taste." The woman chose the Fuji apples and a few juicy tomatoes. Next, a family walked up to her stall. They had a cart full of groceries. The father asked, "Do you have any special offers today?" Maria smiled and responded, "Yes, we have discounts on certain items today. Would you like to check the list?" The mother said, "We need rice, cooking oil, and some pasta." Maria showed them where each item was located on the shelf. As they walked around, Maria explained, "Over here we have long grain rice, and this is our olive oil section. You can also find whole wheat pasta right here." After they collected all the items, Maria scanned each product carefully. The total came to $45.60. She asked, "Do you have a store card? It gives you extra discounts." The father replied, "Yes, we do. Let me get it out." Maria scanned the loyalty card and said, "With your card, your total is now $38.50. The family was happy with the savings and paid using their credit card. Throughout the day, Maria helped many other customers. Some wanted specific fruits like strawberries and blueberries, while others asked for vegetables like carrots and cucumbers. Maria patiently showed each customer where to find what they needed. At one point, a young student approached Maria with a list in her hand. She wanted to buy snacks and school supplies. Maria asked, "Are you looking for anything specific for your school supplies?" The student nodded and said, "Yes, I need some pens, notebooks, and colored markers." Maria led her to the section with office supplies and showed her the different options. She explained, "Here are the pens. These are black ink pens, and these have colorful ink." The student chose a few pens and a notebook that caught her eye. Later, Maria met another customer who wanted to purchase cleaning products. The customer asked, "Do you have any deals on household cleaners today?" Maria smiled and pointed to the special offer shelf. She explained, "Over there, we have a buy two, get one free deal on some cleaning supplies." The customer was excited and quickly picked out 3 bottles of detergent. Maria scanned them and said, "Your total is $18.90. Would you like to use cash or card to pay?" The customer decided to pay with cash. By lunchtime, Maria had already helped dozens of customers. She knew most of the regular items and was getting more comfortable speaking in English. She practiced asking questions like, "Where are the dairy products?" And "Do you need any help finding something?" During her break, she reflected on how much she had learned that day. She had become more confident in using phrases like, "How much does this cost?" and "Is there a discount on this product?" After her break, Maria continued assisting more customers. An elderly couple walked up to her with a bag of rice and a bottle of cooking oil. The man asked, "Do you have any recommendations for cooking oil?" Maria smiled and said, "Yes, we have 2 types, olive oil and sunflower oil. Which one do you prefer for cooking?" The couple chose the olive oil, and Maria pointed out a good brand on sale. As the couple continued shopping, Maria noticed they looked interested in other products. She asked, "Do you need anything else today? Maybe bread or pasta?" The woman smiled and said, "Yes, we'll take some bread too." Maria led them to the bakery section. She explained the different types of bread, whole wheat, white, and baguette. The couple chose a loaf of whole wheat bread. Finally, towards the end of her shift, a young man came to buy some snacks and drinks. He asked, "Do you have any promotions on snacks?" Maria pointed to the buy two, get one free shelf and explained, "Over here, we have special offers on chips, cookies, and chocolates." The young man quickly picked up his favorite snacks and placed them in his basket. Maria scanned the items and said, "Your total is $12.75. How would you like to pay? Cash or card?" The young man chose to pay with his card. At the end of the day, Maria felt proud of her progress. She had improved her English vocabulary and learned many new phrases. She could confidently greet customers, give product recommendations, and handle transactions. She knew that every customer she helped added to her confidence and her growing skills. She left the market with a smile, excited to return the next day and continue practicing her market English. Thank you for watching us. We would be happy if you like, follow, and share.